And yes, it's a big win for our forces as 2 terrorists have been eliminated in Bandipora. These are the initial inputs we are receiving, and Zeenat will join us very shortly to give us more details on this operation that has been conducted by our forces. But for the moment, we can tell you 2 terrorists have been eliminated in Bandipora. Whether those 2 terrorists have been identified yet is a question. And Zeenat, picking up further details on the same, she'll join us on the phone line very shortly to tell us more about this operation that has been conducted in Bandipora, where 2 terrorists have been eliminated. Zeenat, if you can hear me, tell us more about this operation. 2 terrorists eliminated in Bandipora. Have they been identified yet? Please give us more details of the operation in Bandipora and 2 terrorists who've been neutralized. Zeenat, have they been identified yet?
Surisha, this is an encounter that has taken place in the Tabuk Bandipora area. This is a forest area where the encounter was reported earlier, and so far the 2 terrorists have been neutralized, although the dead bodies have not been retrieved by Jammu Kashmir Police along with the Indian Army. But yes, this was an operation carried by SOG Bandipora along with 13, 14 and also the para. The special commandos of Indian Army had joined the operation. So far, what we are picking from the sources and also the JKP has confirmed that the 2 terrorists have been neutralized, though the dead bodies have not been retrieved. The encounter have not been retrieved. The encounter broke around. And meanwhile, we are also picking that there was a credible leads about the presence of terrorists in a particular area, and the CASO was launched. And when the security forces reached near to the encounter spot, the hiding terrorists in the forest region, they fired upon the security forces, triggering an encounter. And in this encounter, so far, the 2 terrorists have been neutralized. Their bodies have not been retrieved, but the confirmation itself comes from IGP Kashmir that the 2 terrorists have been neutralized in ongoing operation in Bandipora. Such operations are also underway in Bandipora.
All right, Zeenat, many thanks for getting us those details.